Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how does Cash App work in the Philippines. People need to download the VPN for Cash App. A considerable number of people around the world have been using VPNs for a long time to protect their data. This will be useful for you not only for Cash App Philippines but for other needs. You can choose any VPN, but when choosing, pay attention to characteristics. Installing a VPN for Cash App only takes a few minutes. In the next step, people need to download the financial application. They can install this on their smartphone or their personal computer. Immediately after downloading, they may create a Cash App account. To do this, enter your cell phone number or email. Receive the verification code and enter it in the appropriate place in the app. Next, users need to learn how to work Cash App. From now on, they can become better acquainted with the interface and functionality of the application. You need to link your US bank account to this application. Enter your credit or debit card number and create a unique cash tag. You can immediately open one line if you need a US or UK bank card. Several banks are ready to open an account without a social security number. When choosing a suitable partner, you must ensure that the selected platform is honest, because there are many scammers in this market. After completing the above steps, you get access to the limited version. Under this, you can spend or send a maximum of 250 USD per week and receive a maximum of 1,000 USD per month. If this limit is too low, you will need to provide your social security number information. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.